Model 2014 Transit Custom 290 Eco-Tech 2.2 TDCI long MOT needs turbo. Body white, panel van. Mileage 153,949. MOT the 11th of August 2024. Engine 2198 cc 2.2100 PS TDCI-A. Transmission 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary: starts perfect. Runs perfect. Turbo oil seals have worn and will need replacing. Engine is 100%. Gearbox, drivetrain, transmission perfect. Condition summary: bodywork is in decent, average condition. Interior is very clean. Rear load area is in decent, average condition. Genuine honest work van. Features: 1 former keeper, part service history, electric windows. EU status: Euro 5. HPI, clear. Cap retail, £5,595. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 0740